guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you a little tips, tricks for how to get the curve drawn for your arches. I did have a previous video on how to do the shear walls where I used trim to mark the arch, but this is just going to show you another method for how to draw the perfect curve. So this example here, I'm making a multi-rainbow wall. My board is 4 foot wide, so you're going to measure half of that. So that'd be 24. Make a mark. I've already marked this. You're going to measure from the top down, 24. Make a mark. Then you have this handy dandy curve maker. All it is a stick with a hole in the end. The hole's big enough for the pencil to go in. I'm going to make mine go to the top of the board. Then I'm going to line this up with my mark. So the center of this board, you want to line up with this mark right here. I already marked from the top, but you'll mark from your hole down, 24 also. That's where you're going to nail it. Okay. Then you put your pencil in here. Now, if the hole is big to where you could go this direction or this direction, just make sure you keep your pencil the same direction. Whichever way you start is how you finish. So mine's angled this way. Now you got your perfect arch. Now if you were trying to do a half circle, then you would measure the full width. So this one's wider than what I would typically do the half circle on. But if you were doing, say, 36 inches, you would measure 36 down from here, attach it here so that it goes perfect to the other side that would be shorter. That's it.